In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using a bank transfer. Pocket Option is a unique trading platform, and adding funds through a bank transfer is simple and secure. Let me guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to navigate to Pocket Option's platform. Open your preferred web browser and enter their official website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're new to Pocket Option, take a moment to sign up and create an account. This will provide access to all their trading tools and features. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Look for the Finance option in the main menu. This option is usually located at the top of the interface, easy to spot in the navigation bar. Click on it to proceed to the Finance section, where you'll be handling your deposits. After clicking Finance, the next step is to select Deposit. This button will bring up all the available methods by which you can fund your account. Here, you'll want to choose the bank transfer option. It's a common and straightforward method suitable for many users. With the bank transfer method selected, you will then be prompted to enter the deposit amount. Consider your current budget and the amount you're willing to invest in trading, then input this amount in the designated field. Ensure your funds are sufficient for both your trading activities and any potential fees that might arise during the transfer process. After specifying your desired deposit amount, you're ready to proceed with the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to provide the necessary payment details. This part often includes inputting details from your Visa card, so make sure to have this information readily available. Double-check the details you provide to avoid any potential issues. Completing this payment step is crucial, and it's vital to look out for confirmation notices or pop-up messages that confirm your transaction has been successful. Once confirmed, it might take a short while for the funds to reflect in your Pocket Option account, allowing you to start trading. And that's it. You're all set. It's that easy to deposit money on Pocket Option using a bank transfer. This method ensures your funds are transferred safely while you get ready to engage with the market. Remember, always monitor your account to ensure that all transactions go as planned, and reach out to Pocket Option's customer service if you encounter any difficulties. Happy trading, and see you in the next video where we explore more financial tools and strategies.